Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Frank Chanda and I'm here to help you find really ways to earn money online. Today's spotlight is on the Cheelee app, which claims you can make up to $300 a month by simply watching short videos. If you already love scrolling to funny educational clips on your phone, this might sound like the ultimate side hustle. But is Cheelee really as good as it sounds? Or is there a catch? By the end of this video, you will know exactly how Cheelee works, how to get paid, and the true challenges beyond reaching that headline making $300 figure. If you find this review helpful, please remember to hit the like button so you don't miss future tips and insights. Also, feel free to share your thoughts or your experience with Cheelee in the comment below, because I believe the best decision come from open discussions. I'm Frank and I've spent the past few years exploring various online income methods, everything from GPT, get paid to website, to affiliate marketing, dropshipping, and even crypto-based apps. While some ventures have been worthwhile, others have led me to the dead end. My goal is to spare you from those pitfalls by offering straightforward reviews based on careful research and personal testing whenever possible. Cheelee has been popping up in my feed a lot of recently, so I decided to investigate if it can really live up to its claim for $300 a month just by watching videos. Cheelee falls under the SocialFi umbrella, which basically means it blends social media with financial incentives. You watch short video on the app and Cheelee reward you with your tokens. It is on cryptocurrency. The idea is to share advertising revenue with viewers. It sounds amazing, especially if you are already spending hours on TikTok or YouTube Shorts. But as with any platform offering money for minimal effort, it is wise to look closer at how they manage those payouts. Cheelee advertising make it appear simple: open the app, watch some video, and potentially earn $300. But if you scratch the surface, you will discover that you need special NFT glasses to maximize your earnings, and there are specific daily limits on how long you can watch and still get paid. Let's go a bit deeper in those details. To earn from Cheelee, you need to wear NFT glasses in the app. Think of them like a digital gear that tracks how many minutes per day you can watch videos and collect lead tokens. When you first sign up, you get a free pay, but they only let you earn for a short amount of time each day. If you want a longer earning window or higher token reward, you can buy upgraded glasses using real money. That is where it starts getting tricky. The better the glasses, the higher the cost. Each video you watch grants you a small fraction of lead token, so you need to watch a bunch of clips to see your tokens add up. Also, glasses lose durability over time, which means you will need to repair or replace them eventually. Those factors combine to make Cheelee more complex than a typical watch and earn app. Let's talk about cashing out, which is where many people get confused. You must see a total balance of lead tokens in your Cheelee account, but that doesn't instantly cover the real money. Usually, you have to send those tokens to a crypto exchange that supports Lee, trade them for something more mainstream, like Bitcoin or USDT, and then move your earnings to your bank or PayPal. This process has several steps and fees that appear at each stage. For example, the exchange might charge a transaction fee or take a percentage when you convert your tokens. Meanwhile, the token price can fluctuate daily, so you could gain or lose value without doing anything. If you are not comfortable with cryptocurrency market or exchanges, the process might feel daunting. Still, for people who enjoy the world of crypto, it can be an interesting way to merge entertainment with digital assets. Cheelee's promotional material often highlight successful stories or big numbers, which can give you the impression that making $300 monthly is a standard. The reality is more nuanced. If you rely solely on the free NFT glasses, you will probably earn a few extra dollars in lead token at most. To see big numbers, you typically have to invest in the higher tiers glasses, dedicate consistent time each day to use your earnings window, and closely watch the token's price. That is a lot of more effort than just hitting play on the random videos. Cryptocurrency is also a notorious for its volatility. Even if you manage to earn a bunch of lead tokens, their value might drop just as you are about to convert them. On the flip side, if the market is bullish, you could end up with more than you expected, but there's no guarantee which way price will move. One unique twist with Cheelee is the durability system. Each time you earn token by watching videos, your NFT glasses lose durability. Eventually, they will break unless you pay to repair them, either in tokens or perhaps more really money. These mechanics ensure Cheelee remain profitable but can be frustrating for users. It is like using a tool for a side job to make some money, but you also have to spend part of it on upkeep. If those glasses are higher tiers, repairs might be more expensive. As a result, your net earnings can shrink significantly. Some people treat this like a game, trying to optimize repairs and upgrade to maximize profits. Others find it tedious and just want a straightforward platform without those hidden costs. Whether you love or hate this feature largely depends on how much time and mental energy you are willing to invest. Now, if dealing with NFT glasses and fluctuating token prices sound overwhelming, you can consider simpler GPT platforms like Ysense, Canva. I also have links in the description to sign in with those platforms. On those sites, you can perform quick tasks like surveys or mini offers and usually earn a set amount of cash or point per task. For example, a 5-minute survey might net you a 50 cents, or watching a series of videos might pay you a few cents. The amounts are small, but they are predictable and you often can cash out through PayPal or gift cards. Sure, you won't lend $300 a month easily on those platforms either, but you also don't risk losing money. Beyond Ysense and Tambax, there are apps like Soundbass, Inbox Dollars, and Fast Ripple, all of which pay you to take surveys, watch ads, and complete simple tasks. Earnings usually range from a few cents per task to a couple dollars for more involved offers. With regular activities, you could make $30 to $50 a month, enough to cover a small bill or treat yourself. Those platforms are not flashy, but they don't require any investment or complex knowledge about cryptocurrencies either. If your main goal is a steady, low-risk earnings, GPT apps might be a better fit than Cheelee. But if you are intrigued by crypto and you don't mind the learning curve, Cheelee does present an opportunity to potentially earn more, though with higher risk. Let's zoom out for a moment. Watching videos, taking survey can provide a small stream of income, but if your ambition is to earn substantial side income or even replace your full-time job, you might consider building an online business. Affiliate marketing, for example, can yield large commission, especially if you go an audience that trusts your product recommendation. I mention this because many people who get into apps like Cheelee are looking for more than just a few extra bucks. They want a consistent revenue stream. I do have a free 7-day email affiliate bootcamp if you are interested in learning how to set up a more stable and scalable online income. It is linked in the description below, so check it out if you are curious. Now let's get back to Cheelee. The main reason hitting $300 a month on Cheelee is difficult boils down to a combination of daily watch limits, the cost of maintaining NFT classes, and the token's volatility. If the market dips when you are about to withdraw, your potential earnings can shrink. Conversely, if the market sparks, you might do well, but there is no guarantee. Plus, not everyone has the time to fully utilize their watch quota each day. It is very much a balancing act, and the app complexity can be daunting for beginners. From some users, Cheelee is simple and fun way to earn a little extra. For others, it becomes too involved or risky on the token price, or they need to keep repairing their glasses. In my opinion, Cheelee is an interesting idea for those who love short videos and don't mind dealing with crypto. If you accept that the $300 is more of a marketing highlight than a standard outcome, you can try it as a side hobby. Perhaps you will earn a little extra while enjoying some entertainment. Just be careful about how much you invest in the classes, because you might never recoup the cost if the token price go down or you can't keep up with the daily watching. If you want less hassle and zero investment, check out the GPT side instead. They are not going to make you rich, but they are much simpler and safer. Who explore a really online business model that does not rely on the up and down of the token. That might be a better approach if you are looking for a long-term stable income. That is my honest review of the Cheelee app and why reaching that $300 goal is not as easy as it might appear. I hope this breakdown helps you understand what is beyond the big headline and let you decide if Cheelee is right for you. If you enjoyed this video, please hit the like button. It really supports the channel. Feel free to share your Cheelee experiences or any question in the comment below. And if you want a safer or more consistent way to earn, check out the GP site I mentioned, or consider leveling up your strategies with my free 7-day email affiliate bootcamp, link in the description. Thank you so much for watching. Stay safe, keep exploring new opportunities, and I will catch you in the next video.